Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to about guys iqoo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to change lock screen password on iqoo mobile. Friends, you have lock screen password, so friends how to change lock screen password in this video. In this video guys we will talk about one by one and step by step. First of all guys, unlock your iqoo mobile. After unlock phone, friends click on phone setting. After on phone settings, as you can see this type interface on your iqoo mobile. So friends, click on iqoo mobile security setting. Friends, you want to check security update, find my device setting, Google Play product setting. So friends, you want to enable find my device, you want to track your phone. After enable, friends, you can track. Friends, click on screen lock. Enter your pin to continue. So when enter your pin again, so friends, enter your pin password. After enter password again, select your password type. Friends, you want to use name password lock. Friends, you want to use pattern lock. So when draw your pattern and you can set pattern lock. So friends, I will use again pin password, but guys I will change my pin in long digit password. Oh no, short no, not pin. Friends, we will use name password lock. Friends, I will enter my name password spelling. And friends, don't do any mistake. Friends, be careful. If you do mistake, friends, you will have to reset your iqoo mobile. So friends, you can check guys, lock screen password will change on iqoo mobile. Friends, pin lock will remove, enter your name password spelling, and friends you can unlock your iqoo mobile. So like that friends, we can change lock screen password type on iqoo mobile. So that's it again. Thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye my friends.